What is up, my dudes? Well, welcome back to another video. We've been traveling for a little bit, but we're gonna head into the woods. But not just the woods, we're going to the pond. I'm gonna tell you some sneak peek, just a little bit of my Star Wars fan film, which I am working very hard on right now. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video because I'm going to go way deep. So the woods way down there, like way down there. That clearing and then the private neighborhood and all that. That's the farthest I've ever been in those woods. Now let's go on the farthest we've ever been, because the farthest I've ever been was way back onto the dock. We're gonna go up the trail that we never go because we saw a golf cart and we got scared. And if that one person's there that doesn't like us going into there because it's dangerous, then I'm gonna board and change the title of this video. So if I do get caught in these woods, the only problem with these is that here's some good things. There's many places to hide. The only problem is that there is one way in and one way out, which is down that ridge that I just walked up. Then we go down the hill, and we get faced with a big ass pond. Let's go this way. That was a gunshot. That scares me. So, it is windy. So if the audio is a little bit wonky because I'm filming on a phone and not like a camera or something, I'm sorry. But it's a beautiful day outside. And it's literally actually the perfect weather just to go down to this massive pond. So you guys probably remember this from live stream, and the putting my phone at risk video, like I'm doing right now. So this is pretty deep water, but some trees do make it to the surface. Over there you do see that it goes and then off to a ledge. Look at this rock sitting here. I'm doing this with one hand. It kind of sucks. Alright, we're gonna head off this ledge. Woo! That was pretty good. I give that an A+. Now, let's head up this small little ridge and we can make it to the higher cliff, which is the cliff I fell off. This was like way before I had a YouTube channel. And yeah, I kind of fell. Kind of sucked. And that ridge goes way up too, but it's a little bit sketch behind those pines. So there's the ridge we were just at. And this is way higher. Ooh, that's creepy. So this is a mining area. So there's just tons of loose rocks. And the wind's kind of picking up, so I'm going to talk a little bit louder just in case if y'all can't hear me. If you guys look down here, it's a cliff with rocks at the bottom. And that's where I jumped off because of loose rocks. Oh, there's my hat. Surprisingly, there's my hat. That's my, wait, Where is it on the key? That's my hat right there. And I fell down, and I had to make a choice. Either risk my legs getting bitten off by snapping turtles or whatever, diseases or whatever, because I could have swam there and swam all the way to the dock and then make it all the way around back to the entrance. Because remember, one way in, one way out. What I chose to do is I climbed up, set my hat there because it was just full on wet and soggy, and it just weighed me down. And I was wearing a full on coat. It made it so heavy. So either I go this way and then go up the trail. There's another gunshot, so I'm a little bit sketched out. Here. Ugh. This is a beautiful rock. Look at that moss. Oh, let's... Coming on. Cliff edge. Oh gosh. Went in this little crevice. Ow! No, these are little thorn... Ow! Ow! Oh! That hurts like shit. Sorry for cussing, y'all. Gosh dang it, rolled off before I could get on camera. Dang it. Yeah, I got it over on the ledge, just fell off. My camera was on the ground. Going up the sketch hill with loose rocks and all that. And then you get to this area. Now I have seen coyotes and all that in these woods. Whew. Got scary. Oh, look at this. Travel all the way and you can see a house. That's cool. So I'm not gonna go that way. Just because of how sketch it is and how rough terrain it is. Alright. Starting here, all the way till we get to that dock. That's honestly satisfying. Let's check out our fort that we made a long time ago. We even have an arrow pointing to it. Oh! There's a hole there. Let's check if fire ants have infested this, because the dead... Yep, I see them. Fire ants or termites, I'm not sure which. I was just about to hop down, and this freaking vine gets me right on the ankle. So, another vine just got me. Oh gosh. That's a loose rock right there. Oh, that's sturdier than I thought. That's like a beautiful branch right here. See how it almost looks like camo? That's so cool. Came from this tree, I bet. Just look at that. That's pretty cool. That's a ledge right there, so I'm not going to go down it until I find an opening. Ow, I scratched my hand some. How? Whoa, look at that spider web. This rock just saved my life. Thank you, rock. Actually, I would not have died because of that. I would just hurt my ankles just a little bit. Hi. We're almost there. Woo. I'm using my squeaky voice today. Woo woo. Instant death right there. sheer drop straight down. That's pretty terrifying. Coming up on the most sketchiest place you guys have ever seen. Oh. Right there, about 100 yards down or something. I don't know, it could be a mile. I'm just kidding. This is the sketchiest part because over there's a beehive and I don't want to risk getting stung because I've been stung by it. Doesn't feel too well. Whoa. So it's like a steep incline and the only thing keeping you afloat are these trees. Down there's death. Because you might not see on the camera, but there's a sheer ledge right down there. Like that. It looks exactly like that. Heading downwards towards the pond, except you won't make it to the pond. You'll get a face full of rock. This is a big rock right here, and I like rest on it. Because I've been traveling from there. Yeah, Dangy. Like Dangy Bros. Subscribe to them, guys. Whoa, is that a cave? I don't want to explore it. Here's another cave. Hello? Alright, it just seems to go. Creepy. Yep, there's a sheer ledge. There's a hole. So be careful of that. Especially if I'm literally climbing these giant rocks with one hand, so it's pretty sketch. Oh my god. After 15 minutes, we finally made it to this trail. Up there is unknown territory. Somewhere around here there's a cave. Yeah, I think right here. Oh no, it's like filled back up with dirt. Ooh. Wow, this is super steep. Turn on my flash, come on. Turn on for me. Yeah, goes way down there. Up there's just a bunch of thorns. Ooh. Ow, got a thorn. 2 thorns. Let me dig these out. Ow. And ow. Alright, traveled all the way through. Now, we can witness where I started from and ended at. That tall cliff, all the way through to here, where I am. Ooh. Well, yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, a lot of I'm not sure if those are beavers, but there's a lot of. It's a weird noise. Climb up these rocks. Make it to my crib, IBB Cribs. Oh my gosh, that trash can keeps moving. Because this is public to only a couple people. Like, I'm trespassing right now, so. If this is public, I am not using. Whoa! This is like a concrete structure right here. Let's check inside. We got rope, a sippy bottle, and some bullet holes. Let's travel up the trail. This is such a steep incline. How do mountaineers do this? I'm out of breath. It's not because, wow, I'm super high up in the air and I'm losing oxygen. It's because I've been running through the forest. So, yeah. Look at all the moss on this trail. This is a big trail. So I would say this is used for... Alright, so you got this trail. But you got this trail. I'm going up on the scary one. Now let's follow me one. There's something moving. That's no deer. Hey. There's people. I hear them. I'm not sure if you guys caught that on the audio. Oh, God. There's a hole right there, and that just hit me in the shin. That completely wrecked my shin. Oh, God. That hurt. I should never come back here. Ah. No, that freaking hurt. Oh, my God. Gotta continue. Pain is weakness leaving the body. That's what my dad said after the Marine Corps. I can't. Oh. Oh my gosh, there's sheer drop right there. I gotta hurry up. My shin. Oh my God. Look at that. Tree just got wrecked. Yeah, I think my camera's not focusing. I'm using the phone past the sketchy part. Yeah. My shin fucking hurts. Oh my God. I hit that thing super hard. God damn. No, I hit that rock hard. Alright. Guys, we just got a couple meters to go. God, my chin. Fuck. Ow. Hurts right. Ow. Oh, God. Fuck. Ow, that hurts. Oh my God. Ah. Hurts right there. I don't want to lift it up just because it hurts and I'm wearing jeans. This thing just jabbed me in the ear. Yes. See. And also dogs. I don't like that. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Ah. God. My shin hurts. Fuck.